Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Char and today we are going to do a quick long wear eyebrow tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to thumbs up this video. In this video, to begin, we are going to use a various of products. Brown pencil. Any kind of pencil. It can be, I got this from a local beauty supply store and I got it for $1. So I buy like 5 so I can have at least for a whole month because they do run out really fast if you're doing your makeup every day. A flat brush, a fluffy brush of this bad boy right here. I got this, I believe, for $15 at Sephora. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills. But the writing, of course, got taken off from me using it and washing it a lot, so you don't even know what it says, but I can... A little thin brush. This is just a highlight under the brows when we're finished. Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color Granite. Reason why we're going to use this is to create a faux hair in the front to make it look realistic for our eyebrows, because some people do not have front and I don't. You barely can see mine, so I create the illusion that I have them when I really don't. Need the Sacha setting powder. I got this, I believe, on Amazon at the time. I got this, I've had this for the past 2 years and it's still pretty full and I barely use it like that. I use it to set my concealers most of the time, and I got this for at least, I believe, for $20 on Amazon. And you're going to need a lighter concealer. I prefer to use the concealer that I use under my eyes because it's a little bit lighter. So I use that to highlight under my eyebrows. So I use the Maybelline Concealer in the color Cafe, 30 Cafe. You need your preferred foundation that you use for your skin tone. I use at least 3 different kind of foundation, but one that I apply all over my face is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy Smooth. I love this foundation, and the color 355 Coconut. And first thing first, we are going to take the brush that we have, the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that we explained before, and we are going to slowly, lightly just brush our hair in the direction that it grows. Then we are going to take the Sacha Buttercup powder, setting powder, and we are just going to take our blending brush, our blending fluffy brush. We're just going to dip this a little bit and dust off. You don't want the excess to be falling all over your face. And that much, what we're going to do, just going to tap, lightly tap on our eyebrows. Once we do that, we are going to take our pencil. Now, the trick to using the pencil is you do not want to use the tip of the pencil as if you're writing. You want to use the side. So that way you lightly stroking, so that way it doesn't appear so dark. We want to keep our eyebrows, we want to make our eyebrows pop, but we want to keep them as natural as we can. So, and you are going to outline the shape of your eyebrows. Your eyebrows already has a shape. As you can tell, my eyebrows already has its shape. I just do not have any ends. So you're going to follow the exact shape that your eyebrows are in. I just got my eyebrows done, so that's why they look so perfect. But even when your eyebrows are not perfect, they still have a shape to them that you can clearly see, so that you can follow, because you're going to use this as your guideline, because it's going to help you to follow exactly how your eyebrows grow, so that way you don't overdraw them, and so that they can still look as natural as they can look, because you don't want them to look unnatural, so that way people can just see you and they're like, oh, she has fake eyebrows on. You know what I'm saying? So try to follow the exact outline of your eyebrows as much as you can. And when you're doing this, do not start in the front. We don't ever outline the front of our eyebrows. We outline from just, this is where your arch starts. we typically want to start outlining here, so that because your eyebrows go from light to dark, so that way it appears as natural as it can. So I typically just start not in the front, just a little bit off. And what we do to keep your hands from moving and shaking, I just use my pinky, put it down on my face, and I held the brush. Remember to use the side of the brush, not the tip. You just kind of outline a little bit. Since I do not have ends of eyebrows, I typically just go down a little bit further down, so that way I can create the illusion that I have the ends, because for some reason my ends of my eyebrows never grow. And when doing the top, you do the exact same thing. You start exactly where the bottom started, and you just kind of lightly, you do some light strokes. And because I like my eyebrows to be a little bit arched, I'll go slightly, just a little bit higher than my arch, to create an illusion of just me having the nice arch. It kind of just pop them out a little bit. If that's what you prefer to do, just do it. If not, then don't. You don't have to follow this exact method, but I just typically just go a little bit off on top to give myself a little bit higher of an arch. And then what I do is I just slowly, lightly stroke the ends, because I do not have ends, so I have to create the illusion that I do. And then I just kind of lightly go in the middle as well, following the exact same shape in the line. Don't go over, don't try to overdo it. And just by doing that, you can clearly see the difference between this eyebrow that's not done and this one. You can see this one is starting to pop out a little bit more, but not too much to the point where it's like, oh, her eyebrows are done. You know, you can still kind of see they look a little bit natural. They still look natural, but they are done. I'm doing them, but they're not like, you know, over dramatic. And we're going from the beginning. We're just gonna and then we're going to brush the front hair straight, and then we're just gonna keep those how they are. Then one thing I forgot to show you guys when I was showing you guys the products that we use, I forgot to show you guys this bad boy right here. It's the Easy Breezy Bra from CoverGirl. I got this from my local CVS pharmacy for, I don't remember the price exactly, but it wasn't that much. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this to seal our eyebrows, to seal the hair, and you don't want to do the front, you just want to do exactly where you apply the pencil a little bit. And this is going to help the stubborn hairs to stay in place, because I do tend to have a lot of stubborn hair, so just kind of keep them in place a little bit. And that's it. That's all you do right there. Then we are going to use our concealer, the Maybelline Concealer. And we're going to just tap right here, just a little bit. You don't want to put too much, because then we're going to use our flat brush, and we're going to, now after I tap this, I dab a little bit in there, and then I go in the front and follow the outline. After I do that, what I want to do is I'm just going to bring, if you pay attention, when you're done doing this process, you're going to notice that where you outline, you're going to notice how the concealer tends to get a little bit thick. So we're just going to bring that down. So when we're blending, it all looks flawless. And then you're just gonna bring that down. All right, now once we do that, we're just going to off the excess from that concealer. Then we're going to go in with the foundation of your preferred color, and we're going to just, if you're using the Maybelline foundation, when you take the top off, you typically get you don't need that much to conceal the top of your eyebrows. So you're just going to just use the flat brush, just dab a little bit into the top, and you're just gonna use a little bit, and you do not need that much. Literally, you just need a little bit, because all you're gonna do is you're gonna just highlight the top, but you want it to look as natural as possible, so you just use a little bit to kind of to the eyebrow as you can, and you just make sure you highlight thoroughly so you connect the bottom. Do the same thing with the bottom, where we, after the access foundation that's left at top, you just bring it up. That's that. Then I'm going with our blending brush, our blending fluffy brush, and what we're going to do, we're just going to the same brush you used from the beginning when you dab the setting powder on your eyebrows. You're just going to use that same brush, and you just kind of blend away the concealer, and you can get as close to the eyebrow as you can, so that way you can take away that concealer that's kind of like sitting there, that's making your eyebrows look like, hello, I'm fake. And you're just gonna brush it up. Make sure you use light handing, because if you do too dark, then you're probably gonna erase some of your, you don't want that to be happening. So you just brush up a little bit, but doing it lightly, and then you just kind of go in everywhere. Then when you're done the top, you do the same thing. You brush up to get rid of that box shape that we did, and then we just blend, blend, blend. And then when you blend it just enough to get all that excess foundation and concealer off your eyes, off your eyelid, and off your forehead, and it's looking to your perfection. It's all based on how you like it to be done. Then we're gonna go back in with this bad boy right here, and we're just going to brush the front hair up, and we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Granite. Just going to, just a tad. You don't need that much, just a tad. And we're just gonna use to create faux hair. just go in, create that illusion. Then with the excess of the pomade still on there, I just kind of, to create a crisp line, just kind of go and just kind of just do a little bit like that. And there you go, to create the crisp line on top. And there you have it. We're gonna take the fan brush and we're going to take your preferred highlighter and then you're just gonna go as close to your eyebrows as you can and just kind of highlight the brow bone to kind of add some definition. The before, of course, and this is the after. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Thank you for watching this video. This is the finished product. I hope you guys love this video and I hope you guys enjoy doing this video. This is a long wear eyebrow tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this video for you guys, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to follow me on my social medias that I'm going to link below and at the end of this video. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.